Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, nandito tayo sa Melbourne, dito sa CBD guys. So today's video, we are going for a walk dito sa Southbank. So guys, are you ready to explore the Southbank dito sa Victoria sa Melbourne? So what are we waiting for? Happy watching! Welcome to Southbank. Southbank's affluent and exciting setting offers ample shopping, dining, and entertainment choices for visitors, boasting some of the best restaurants in the city. This is construction here. A foodie's favorite and the ultimate dining destination, the Southbank precinct has always been a top dining destination, known for its diverse restaurant choices and farm-to-fork cuisine. With so many options to choose from, you'll certainly find something unique and appetizing at one of Southbank's many restaurants.
Did you walk down there last time we recorded Alexander Gardens?
Yeah.
So it's there here. That house.
It's like a very enchanted one.
So what's that, 100 and just shy of 140, so 130 or something. 60 years old. Masaya. Because I got this funny. Into there. You recorded Fed Square, haven't you?
Yeah.
Oh, you're in construction down there.
Come and find out for yourself why Southbank has been a dining paradise for Melbournians. Explore the dining promenade at your own pace and enjoy something tasty for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Southbank is literally packed with a wide array of restaurants serving all types of cuisines. You'll find a number of cafes, restaurants, tapa bars, pubs, and al fresco dining venues here.
Plato.
What the heck?
Plato ako. foodie box. The pass. You don't need the thing, do you? Or do you just want to take a second to just pan around? Not there. So, there you go.
I got one already.
That's for the street, currently it's not a place.
New police. Metro people.
No, they're like ticket collector people. So they go on trams and trains and make sure you have your ticket, otherwise they'll fine you. They're probably like enforcers.
Southbank restaurants indeed offer a smorgasbord of different cuisine, including traditional fares to delicious sushi. Whether you're looking for a fine dining venue or a delicious pub meal, you're sure to find everything right here.
I don't know if we can do better this way now. Ayan! Oh, so pizzy. How's the catch?
Is the chest can drive that one?
Well, in theory, yes. They can make it go straight.
Oh,
There,
we
there
have
we
a cheese platter.
I didn't wear my suit.
We have cheese platter.
Ayan.
No matter what you choose, you certainly have an unforgettable dining experience as the sun sets. Southbank glitters with the lights of the nearby pulsating bars and pubs. The variety and splendid options of bars and pubs make it a perfect destination for all visitors and locals to drink, dine, and enjoy the night.
Another one. A floating restaurant or something. I mean, you can walk up to the furthest bridge, but there's statues on it, but it doesn't really take you anywhere anyway. It just takes you to the bottom of that F building. If you ever see the movie Ghost Rider with Nicolas Cage, I think that was filmed partly in Melbourne and he actually rides across that bridge. I don't know if it's actually meant to be based in Melbourne, the movie, but I think part of it was filmed here and I haven't opened it up yet. Must be like where you walk the plank where the pirates make people jump off. Yeah, stick to that. Sure you don't need two hands or you're good with one?
I'm fine.
That was a barbecue, you know, on this side.
It's a bar.
I thought that was just part of the train station. Probably so you have the beer and then go home and sing Salama. You need to pan the buildings left. You can see Hammer Hall now. By the left, they have a circular one. And also that all those things there look like some kind of sculpture as well, like those restaurants. So yeah, where we had lunch was just in there. Yeah, some of that seems new there. Definitely Post Malone.
Melbourne's popular Southbank Boulevard is known for its unique attractions, high-rise apartments, and cultural attractions. This inner-city neighborhood is one of the most sought-after accommodation locations in Melbourne. Many visitors to Melbourne often stay in Southbank because it is only a short walking distance to the Melbourne CBD, as well as the entertainment venues, hotels, and restaurants. Southbank is also home to a large residential community.
Company there. So I think this bridge they actually started doing love locks on it, like people putting locks on it, but it's like they cut them off. Oh, you get MCG there too, the distance. big sports ground, lots of sports. A W sports.
Brother is there.
Oh yes.
Only one.
That's restaurant, I think. Oh yeah, it says cruising restaurant. And there's actually a bar under here underneath the bridge. There's a bar. You'll probably actually see it if you go to the right once you get around here. Here's Utah. It's called Ponyfish Island. So if you go maybe over here, you'll see it. There's a bar underneath. So I guess we'll go there.
When it comes to activities and things to see and do for tourists in Southbank, the Eureka Tower Skydeck reigns supreme. Tourists come here to visit the observatory deck 88 floors up. The Skydeck experience is unique and visitors should experience the Edge, which is the only observation deck in the world that can thrill you with a glass cube which protrudes 3 meters out from the building with you in it. You will be suspended almost 300 meters above the ground and will see some of the best views of Melbourne and surrounding suburbs. Near the Eureka Tower, visitors will find many excellent cafes, restaurants, and clothing stores. After your Skydeck experience, enjoy a light snack or a coffee at a nearby cafe. Are we going to Kaliwa?
Yeah, that's where we came in from. Because there's the tower just there. Just make sure you get the beautiful sculpture.
Beautiful sculpture.
I am very.
Southbank's proximity to the Melbourne CBD and St Kilda make it a favorable destination for accommodation. The area is home to many of Melbourne's top hotel chains and apartment rentals. You'll therefore find many amazing choices here at Southbank to match your budget. The Southbank Promenade is also home to the famous Crown Casino with gambling and entertainment available 24/7. So, that's it guys. That's our Southbank walking tour for today's video. Nakita nyo kung gaano kahaba. So, hindi naman siya masyadong mahaba guys. So, nakita nyo madaming mga resto bar, nandito yung mga pubs, nandito yung mga fine dining guys. So, maganda siya kapag gabi. They also have the station here. So, kapag wala kayong mga vehicle at pwede kayong mag-rain station, merong rain station dito guys. Railway station. So, nakita nyo kanina guys, yung water na yon, they call it Yarra River guys. So, makikita nyo on the other side nun, sa kabilang side nun, yun na-walk na natin yung garden guys, sa Alexandra Garden. Ayun yung na-walk na natin before. And if you haven't yet checked my Alexandra Garden na walking tour, I will put in my description box down below or I'll put some here on the top kapag hindi ko ulit siya nakalimutan. So, nakita nyo guys, it's a town dito or a small suburbs dito sa Melbourne guys. Nakita nyo, there are also a apartments and accommodation at the back of the Southbank. Nakita nyo kasi ngayon may nire-renovate sila dong part. Pwede siyang sa mga bikers, pwede rin siya sa mga nagjo-jogging, nag-walking. So meron silang lane for biking also for the bicycles. So anyway, highway, nakita nyo, there's also attraction here sa other side, ang Eureka Observatory Tower. So, makikita nyo yun sa aking sunod na mga videos, guys. So, anyway, highway, that's the end of our Southbank walking tour dito sa Melbourne, sa CBD, guys. It's a Victoria, guys. So, I hope you enjoy watching. You had fun for today's video. And you learned something today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting my videos. And mega love shout out to each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. InDaynaMo, please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Chala!